Welcome back. This is just a filler-in video of parts that have arrived for this Mark 1. Yeah, decided not to even be on camera on this one. I think you know what I look like. So yeah, parts. What parts have we got that arrived? Brake unions. Lovely, loads of them. So that's good. We can finish off all the brakes. That's good. I've got a whole load, so I'll re-top up my brake box. There you go, Chris. All the parts, all the lovely shiny nuts. And those washers, Chris, look at them. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, got all them. Do the bottom hoses. What else have we got? Got this. Where's my knife? There's my knife. There's my knife, my knife, my knife. Wind. If you haven't guessed what it is already, shouldn't do those jokes. Keep forgetting you can't say that anymore. Hoping, and this is where you'll scream at me, that's the wrong slave cylinder. Hopefully it's not, Chris. I think it's an OEM typey non-genuine part, but it'll do. Drums, it's when the drums stop coming. So yeah, just in case anyone doesn't know where a clutch slave cylinder fits, we all got to start somewhere. It fits down here. And handily, my dad's supplied me with the bolts that's there. Slightly different ones. You get the pre-verto and non-verto and whatever verto. The later ones sit on like a plate that mounts on here, and then the master cylinder is much further down. It's all depending on how the clutch is as well. So yeah, please check before you get it. Just because you've got a Mark 1 might not. It all depends on what clutch and all that sort of setup you've got. So that's good. Hey, lovely. So that's that. That's good. We've got any other parts? Any other parts, Matthew? I think we're just waiting on the rubber hose still. Well, we saw the grommets the other day for the wiring. This is the mini spare seal, that, all the mini spare bits, all the copper washers to do everything. So yeah, we're looking good. So yeah, as I said, a few days off. We got a lot to do, and we've got a lot of parts as well. So must order a coil as well. We wanted a coil, didn't we? And maybe some new leads, because that one has maybe seen better days. Maybe. Oh, I think that's just how it goes as well. But anyway, all right. Yeah. Let me know if I need any other parts, Chris, that you want me to replace at cost. All right. Bye for now. Have a good evening. I'll be back full on it tomorrow, hopefully. See you soon.